Good morning. As you'll notice, I'm looking fresh. It's early, but I've got exciting news for you. So for a few days, I've been working on the Cobra bonnet catch, and last night I glued the striker plate onto the bonnet skin. Now it hasn't been adjusted yet, so you'll notice there's a bit of a step there. But the exciting thing is that it works. Watch this. See the first light of day coming in? Yes, I am indeed pushing hard. So here we have our Cobra. The handle lives under here. It just needs to be polished. And up she comes. Now, isn't that nice? So that's it. It needs to be cleaned up now. You'll see that it's all been glued on like that with an epoxy. It is still adjustable and needs to be obviously polished, but this is probably the best part. That sort of thing takes an inordinate, it's a long word, amount of time to get right. And when it does come right, I have to say, it makes me very pleased.